Monday, October the 26th, 2020. Nice quick update. I went up taking the fan shroud, the fan back off, fan pulley, and for that, the reason why is I want to try to start building, or try to figure out how I want to build a pulley system that hangs off the front of this engine. Now, co-worker taught me to get in the pulley, but the pulley's groove is that for like a smaller, I guess like a half-inch belt. Let's quick. I also took the battery out. Now I'm going to try to remind myself this in the future, but the passenger side horn goes right here below that hole, and here's the headlight hole. So this is next to the radiator. The driver's side horn was mounted right here. The wiring going through there on the driver's side of the radiator. I also took this little panel off here. I don't know the name of it, but it houses the parking lights, the grill. So the reason why I did that is to want to have to gain access to this panel here. I want to drill holes, maybe reinforce this a bit with some heavier duty metal to put that tank. It only holds about 2 gallons, I'm going to guess, of hydraulic oil, but it's really heavy duty built. This is the tank that's going to go over there. I don't know if this will come through very good, but this is pretty thick. I'm going to guess at least 1/4 of an inch steel. I do not know what this came off of. It came off of a trailer that I bought, a dump trailer, homemade. So this was part of it. I can't remember if this was part of it or it was just sitting in there. One of the two. But anyways, I gotta make a gasket for this. I've got the original sight glass, and inside there's a little strainer that goes in there. It's a light bit of surface rust on the inside. Outside's pretty heavily pitted. I did have it cleaned up a long time ago, and then it's a project that I've gotten away from. So I also unhooked the wiring harness and ran it all the way back over here. I am going to try to slap a coat of paint on, or 2 coats maybe, on the firewall, fender wells, and all that kind of stuff. I have to decide if I'm going to go with the top coat or the really heavy duty frame coating. But yeah, here's the piece that goes across the bottom there. It's pretty rough. I'm going to take that chrome off and clean it up and paint it. I'm obsessed with doing stuff right, even if it's a piece of crap old truck. So took the marker light out, polished the old turd. So anyways, this is Rusty. That's the nickname of my truck. She's very rusty. Alright, man, that's where I'm at. Chow the deer right out.